welcome back to my channel. My name is LaMonica. If you are new, I do beauty and lifestyle videos here on my channel. So go ahead and join the fam by giving this video a thumbs up, hitting that subscribe button. I am super excited for today's video. I think the last time I've done a what's in my bag, I think it was my travel what's in my bag with my Louis Vuitton, like big bag, never full, whatever. But this bag is very near and dear to my heart because I have been wearing it nonstop, okay? And I have a lot of bags, but I've been wearing this nonstop because this was the first gift that my husband gifted me besides the gift that we exchanged on our wedding day. So this is my Valentino bag, and I love this bag because for one, it's like a bowling bag type of style. The leather quality is like not one of those leathers that'll get scratched up too quickly. It is easy to clean off. I love the detailing of the spikes, the name of the bag, the type of bag. It does come with the straps. I have the straps on because I can just like throw everything in this bag. And girl, when I'm about to go through this bag, don't judge me, but it does come with a strap. And then it also has the handle on here, which is really, really good quality. And it can tend to get heavy if you put a lot of stuff in here, but it's a nice bag and it sits up very, very nicely. So let's talk about what's inside my bag. So I'm just gonna pull random stuff out. This is a realistic what's in my bag. Bottle of water. All right, just finished the bottle of water. I have a fan. You can never go wrong with a fan. So this little portable fan I actually got from Amazon. So I'll link it down below. It is amazing. I think I talked about this in my wedding haul. Items that I got for my wedding. I'll link that down in the description box below if you haven't seen that. But this thing is so cute and it works. It works, okay? The next thing in here is my wallet, which is like freaking busting open. I got too many things in here. It does come with a, inside it has the slots for the cards. It also has the zipper for your change or any additional cards or receipts that you may want to put in here. But love the color. It's like this really deep purple, really, really cute. The next thing I have in here is my retainer case. My retainer is actually in here. Should be wearing it. Nothing big there. Next thing I have in here is, ooh, this right here. Need to get up out of here because there's a lot of hair on here. I'm embarrassed, but a comb and a brush. When I have, you know, you gotta have hair stuff in your purse. I'm surprised I don't have a scrunchie in here. Nope, I don't have a scrunchie in here at this time, but you know, a brush is needed sometime. Next thing I have in here are some pens. You never know when you gotta write things down. Some Bath and Body Works coupons. Wait a minute, when do these expire? Oh, I need to go to Bath and Body Works soon. Oh, I missed that one. My Sephora VIB. This stuff need to be in my wallet. A little card about this bag. Kept that in here. I'm going through these like pockets. This is a little travel Chloe love story. It's like a little roller ball. It's like a little roller ball. And if you have not seen my top 5 fragrances, make sure you check it out. But a little sneak peek or hint, this was one of the fragrances that was in there. Make sure you check that out. So that was the 2 pockets. The third pocket that's inside of here is, I keep my little stuff, like this one fell out, but I keep my little, you know, sanitary things in a little cute little bag. These little bags you typically get at like stores if you purchase jewelry and stuff like that, or you can order them on Amazon as well. But they're like these little sheer bags. And so I just keep that in here along with one of my Honey Pot sensitive wipes. And it's just a little bag that I put in my purse where the zipper part is and zip it up. So when you go to the restroom, it's just easy to just pull this little bag out sometimes, or just honestly like take this little bag out, put it inside your jacket or whatever, and go ahead on to the bathroom as opposed to taking your whole purse and all that. It's just a cute way of putting this stuff organized and tucked away in your purse. Very girly, I know, but that's in here. I have a lot of lip products in here and I don't know why. I have a liquid lipstick by Maybelline. This is one of my faves actually. This one is the Chai Genius. I have a lip gloss by MAC, the Taraji P. Henson one. Since it is fall, I've been busting out with this like brown one. Gotta have the Carmex on deck. And I have two Juicy by J lip jellies. This one's in the shade Sin Nudes, and this one is Kissmas and Sin Nudes. This one is so cute because it's like a little mini one. I'll have her link down below. Make sure you check out Juicy by J. Also have a MAC lip liner. This is in the shade Cork. And I have this little mirror. Really cute mirror. Hand lotion. This is the Jo Malone Peony and Blush Suede Body Cream. I use it as a hand lotion. It smells very rich, very floral. This one is very floral. But the floral is not overpowering because it's like a soft, like fresh finish at the end, almost like a clean cotton mixed with floral. I don't know if that will smell good, but it smells good in that lotion. Two hand sanitizers. I have the Bath & Body Works Strawberry Lemonade one, and then I also have this original one, like alcohol one, that these were actually gifted to everyone at my bridal shower, and I had a lot of them left, so I just been putting these things in my bags and they have been coming in handy. It's the spray one, so very boom. Let's go. When it's time to get in the car, spray the wheel down. You know the drill. Yeah, I just had a lot of loose change, so I just took that out. But now that everything is out of the bag, I want to show you guys what the inside of this bag looks like. So like I said, it has a pocket here where I keep my, you know, essentials, girly stuff, and then there's a pocket here and a pocket here. This bag has a lot of space in it. There's a lot that you can put in here. It's a nice like cloth material, but I like to keep my bags organized, which is why I have, you know, like little dividers. But it's a really nice bag. The bag on the inside has, and I hope I can show you guys, it has the name, the logo, and all that on there. But it's a really good quality bag. Like I said, you can wear it like this on your hand, or you can actually wear it across the body, or just have this hanging or just tucked away. This does come off on both sides. Love the gold detailing, so this does come off. Yeah, so that's everything that is in my Valentino bowling bag. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below the essential must-have that you have in your purse, in your bag, your purse, your everyday, whatever it is. Comment down below your essential, like this must be in your purse at all times. Let me know. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. It'll help your girl out. And until next time, love, peace, and beauty. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.